Hi guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our family. In today's video, let's talk about a lesser known home decor style. Let's talk about Baroque. So if anyone needs a short crash course into what Baroque home decor and design style actually is, trust me, you are forgiven. Even the most seasoned home decor experts sometimes forget about this style when we talk about trends that are going on and how people are decorating. But trust me, this is a style that you have seen hundreds of times. You probably just didn't know what it was called, or you were confusing it with Victorian. So let me start with the true definition of Baroque style. Now we can easily do a long form type video on this style. You guys, there's so much information on it, and if you're interested in that, comment down below and let me know you want to see a longer video on it. But the Baroque style is a highly ornate and elaborate style of architecture, art, and design that really flourished in Europe in the 17th and the first half of the 18th century. Now, it originated in Italy, as you can probably tell looking at some of the rooms, but its influence really quickly spread across Europe, and it became the first visual style to have a significant worldwide impact. So that's why I said when you see this style, chances are you have definitely seen it before. Every time you think of Italian castles and different almost Victorian era castles, you subconsciously really think of this style. Well, I'll say I can't really say you do, but at least I think of this style when I think of older castles and manors back in the day. Now, as I stated, this interior design, or the Baroque style in general, it actually affected architecture and art and so many other things. But when it came to home design, it was just super extravagant. Now, it included layers and really formal, highly decorated interiors that included elements like bronze sculptures and really intricate tapestries, sculpted wood mirrors, moldings, and of course paneling. Now, it also featured some really elaborately painted ceilings, crystal chandeliers, and gilded everything basically. Now, there are 6 really important elements that you need to keep in mind. Number 1 is rich, bold, and shiny colors. Because the Baroque style has a dramatic flair, the colors of your interior should be rich and bold. So your colors should basically shimmer like gold. This style is all about showing people what a lavish house you have, and this is why many go for gold trim furniture and fixtures, while also combining dark red, royal blue, and deep green. Number 2, intricate carvings and ornaments. So elaborate ornamentation is really key to this design. Number 3, opulent and colossal furniture. Go big or go home in this style. Number 4, luxurious floral fabrics. Another important element that you have to take into consideration is the fabric of materials within the space. Fabrics for upholsteries, curtains, table runners, carpets, and etc. must be of high quality and should look luxurious. Number 5, expensive and plush flooring. Indeed, flooring is very important. It must go together with the ritzy look that you're trying to create. And number 6, crystal and glass accents. Think really huge mirrors, glass accents, and crystal chandeliers. Too much is never enough in this style. Alright guys, so I know this design style is not everyone's favorite, but comment down below if you would have a Baroque style room in your home or a Baroque style home in general. So I've already asked you to comment your favorite room down below. If you want to know mine, it's this gorgeous room right here. I love all of the style, and I also love how they infuse just a little bit of modern in there as well. So once again, I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you love the content, check out some more videos right here. I will see you in tomorrow's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.